Hello everybody, Bad Weather Freak here. I am at Walmart here in Central Florida, Claremont, Florida to be specific. And right now the latest on Hurricane Ian is that Ian is actually, as of the 8 p.m. update, Ian is moving northeast. So it's starting the shift towards the east. As of this update is moving at 10 miles an hour, so it says it's fairly slow right now moving, and it's expected to slow down even more. Current winds are 120 miles still, and we also have pressure down to 947, and so that's definitely strengthening. But it looks like currently, I think it was like a 5 p.m. update, it was saying that looks like Ian was going through a eyewall replacement cycle. So when a storm gets to a certain intensity, especially, well, in this case, major hurricane, they have a tendency of going through these cycles, and it's kind of like they peak out basically at a particular strength, and then they basically go through this cycle where it loses a little bit of strength and then it regains strength again. And that's something that happens in pretty much, if you look at history, all the majority of major hurricanes have done that. And Ian seems like he's going through the same thing. So it hasn't really weakened, but it hasn't gained strength neither. So that's something that at least it hasn't gotten any stronger. Now, some winds, tropical storm winds already measure in Key West, 40-50 mile per hour winds already, and confirmed tornado in the area of Pembroke Pines. That's closer to Miami. Confirmed tornado. Again, that tells you a lot, because Ian is way west from Miami right now, pretty west. And some of the strong rain bands that are getting over there, they spawn up a tornado. So that tells you that that's another issue with hurricanes. They create tornadoes. Now, I am in Central Florida, so I'm about 3.5 hours north of Miami right now, about 6 to 7 hours from Key West, north of Key West, and I'm already getting light rain from Ian. So that tells you how this storm is massive, and even though it's hundreds of miles away, still already bringing us rain. That's one of the big issues or big concerns that the National Hurricane Center has, is the fact that we could see winds, not winds, but rain anywhere from, right now, from 15 to 20 inches of rain potentially in the area. Because as Ian makes landfall, right now it's expected to make landfall south of Tampa, so more like in the Sarasota area. By the time it's supposed to slow down, and that's why it's supposed to bring a lot of rain. But right now, again, the latest on Hurricane Ian, it is already affecting southwestern Florida, to be specific, the Key West in this case, particularly. Spun up a tornado already in Pembroke Pines, in Central Florida, hundreds of miles away, and I'm getting already light rain. 120 mile per hour winds is currently the strength of Ian, moving northeast, 10 miles per hour. So it's slowly coming up. That's what I have for you guys. Of course, if anything changes, I will keep you guys posted. But right now, that's all the latest on Ian.